What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is the channel is all about technical analysis. Man, I have a really hard time saying technical analysis. It's a bit of a tongue twister. But anyways, this is the channel for me to do any price analysis and my predictions of where the market's gonna go. Today we're gonna be talking about your Ethereum. I see a lot of great movement from Ethereum here, and I just want to give you an update what's going on. I did a video about Ethereum about I would say 4 or 5 days ago, and I just removed it so I could just start fresh and show you what's going on. It's better to start fresh than start from where I was at before. It would be kind of a little bit confusing, so I just like to start from scratch and then go from there. So without further ado, let's go straight into it here. First things first, I like to see I like to draw out my my horizontal lines where my supports and my resistance are. So I'm gonna look at the line chart here, and first things first, like to put it at the tipping point where the price bounced, right? So here, and then remember here. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at those three, and then let's go ahead and change it back to candles. So let's go ahead and switch it to the 4-hour time frame, see what we're looking at here. Okay, perfect. So like I said before, usually in the beginning of when I look at the market, I gotta look at the trend, right? And obviously it's in an uptrend here. So that's step one. Step two, I like to see where I could put my Fibonacci retracement. So the most recent, higher low to a higher high, and obviously it will be this one to here. Let's go ahead and draw that out. Boom, to here, right? So it's perfect. And you do it correctly if you see this, the 0.5 is like where the candle is kind of like touching but bouncing off, right? I mean, these Fibonacci lines are like, your micro support and resistance, right? So if it doesn't look like this, make sure you readjust it. But it should look like this, okay? So this is a good indicator, just because you know how we draw our horizontal lines. So when the market was going up, it bounced here, right? It's trying to break through this resistance, and then went back down, hit the support, hit this resistance, hit the support, trying to break through it, didn't really do anything, went back down, hit the support here, right? And then finally it breaks through it, and now is retesting at the new support line, right? So my predictions are that usually every time the market breaks through a support or resistance, it usually majority of the time will have to retest. So I'm gonna draw the arrows here. See, so you can see what I'm visualizing. So it broke through, right? It broke through. It made a new resistance area, right? Because this is where it bounced, so that's where we draw our horizontal line. Then it's retesting, and then now is gonna try to retest back at this resistance line, and hopefully this time is gonna break through it. And then once it does break through it, sorry, let me go like this. So say if it breaks through, right? And then it's gonna retest again, right? And then after I start going back up. And my price prediction for this month for Ethereum specifically, I think I feel like I don't think it'll be by end of the month, but I feel like sometime in mid-November maybe we might see an all-time here all-time high at 5,000. I honestly think that by November, sometime around November, we might see a all-time high at the $5,000 mark. Oh my gosh, I can't really talk right now. So what I'm looking at here is my horizontal lines. Here we go. Settings, put 5,000. Boom, right there. All right. That's what I like to see. So if I were to draw my trend-based Fibonacci extension, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's just pretty much a indicator. It's another Fibonacci retracement, but it just predicts where the next price point that's going to be at. So let's go ahead and use the tool from the recent higher low to a higher high, and then usually, like I said, to the 0.5. So yeah, well, we might see at the about 5,000. So of course it's not gonna be like a straight a straight shot up. I'm sure it's gonna be not consolidating, but fluctuating. Like a wave all the way up. So it's probably gonna be look like this. It's gonna be like here, here, slowly, right? Just like a wave. But you do have those moments where it just kind of like just shoots right back up. But yeah, so hopefully that's a good indication of where I think the price is gonna be. So far, from what I did 4 or 5 days ago on Ethereum, um, honestly, what I drew just now is what I did 4 or 5 days ago, and really it's been spot on right now. Like I knew for a fact that I was gonna hit here, retest at this support line, breaks through this resistance, and then most likely it's gonna retest and then continue going back up. Majority of the time, that's usually always happens to the market. So, but like I said, I will update you guys on anything that changes with the market, so you guys could stay up to date. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave the comments down below. You guys have a whole nother price point that you guys might predict that it might hit. Please feel free to let me know. I would love to hear all about it. I like to educate myself as well. So please share your knowledge. I will love that. So anyways, that's all. I'll see you guys on the next one.